Soft morning light spills into a humble kitchen, illuminating a man whose face tells a story of life's journey.
He sits quietly at a worn kitchen table, his gaze fixed on a daunting stack of unpaid bills. His eyes are distant, lost in a sea of overwhelming thoughts, a palpable sense of quiet desperation filling the air. A voice echoes, "Dear younger me, if this video finds you, stop scrolling." The voice continues, a warning. Because one tiny decision you make this week, the voice concludes, a chilling thought, might decide whether you struggle at 80 or sleep peacefully. In a quiet kitchen, a man's hand trembles as he reaches for an old, yellowed envelope on the table. He carefully opens the flap, revealing faded pay stubs from decades past, a tangible link to his youth. The paper crinkles softly under his touch, a poignant reminder of, when I was 25, someone told me something simple. Save just $20 a week. His voice, tinged with regret, echoes. I laughed. $20 felt too small to matter, and life felt too long to worry about retirement. A somber truth settles in the air. But today, I remember every dollar I didn't save. In a dimly lit kitchen, he leans closer, his eyes intense and pleading. Quick question for you. If you're under 40 right now, pause for 1 second. His gaze pierces the screen. Would you rather sacrifice $20 today or work when you're 80 years old? He urges, comment, invest if you're choosing the first one. A touch of regret in his voice, he concludes, because I wish someone forced me to choose earlier. In a quiet kitchen, he slowly pushes away a stack of bills, his gaze distant and haunted. His eyes fix on an empty space, as if seeing a ghost of his past, a life unfulfilled. At 55, I finally opened my first retirement account. I thought I was doing great, he continues. By the time I understood, my friends were retiring, and I was applying for jobs. In the quiet kitchen, a soft sigh escapes as he slowly rises, movements stiff with the weight of years. The well-worn work jacket, a silent companion, hangs on a nearby chair, ready for another day. With deliberate care, the jacket is donned, its familiar fabric rustling softly, a routine etched in time. A voice whispers, today I'm 82, 3 mornings a week. I still wake up before sunrise. The voice continues, not because I want to stay active, because my bills don't retire. His tired body moves through the morning, but the electricity bill doesn't care about my back pain. In the pre-dawn glow, the man's silhouette stands etched against the kitchen window, a silent testament to perseverance. His gaze drifts outward, lost in the quiet promise of the coming day. His voice echoes, so here's the truth, younger me. We thought wealth came from big wins, but real wealth came from small habits. $20 invested every week for 40 years. That was the difference between freedom and working in your 80s. His movements are precise as he returns to the table, picking up a bill and folding it neatly. From his pocket, he produces a small piece of paper and a pen, a subtle tension in his focused expression. He writes 2 words in bold, clear letters. Start now. a silent command echoing in the quiet room. Most people only learn these lessons when it's already too late. But you don't have to. Subscribe to Retire Ready Stories and learn the retirement lessons people wish they knew decades earlier.